right. Yeah.
Wally, son. Yeah, leeching off the Wally. It's a reverse leech spot. Little revert.
High moment. Starting October 7th. Only on Hoop.
Presidential nominee Senator J.D. Vance. Peterson. Doug Peterson is likely going to
Ideas.
and the U.S. Department of
Goodbye, Delta.
Startups.
It's all in the app. They've got everyone from bakers to servers, assistants, and even managers.
Wow, that's a game changer. I feel like a huge weight's been lifted. Hiring in a rush. Job Today is here to help. 4 out of 5 employers who post on Job Today get candidates with a... Seriously, I think she's into you.
I don't know. I look so much older because of my hair, or lack of it. I know how that feels. You? I actually lost a lot of hair at one point. What? How'd you get it back? I went to Zering Medical Hair Restoration. Oh, a hair transplant. It's the only permanent solution. Besides, other remedy imaginable. If only I'd gone to them first.
Get back in the game.